that and then Mind Freak.
Yeah.
It all makes sense, honestly.
Yeah. It was perfect.
Did you ever get up to the Haunted Museum?
No, we didn't. We'll definitely go next year.
Okay. I do have... No, it's mainly Han is the one hitting me all the time.
That's my dog. As soon as Lynn pierced my belly button, my dog's just like... I'm like, Jesus Christ!
You know, my high nostrils go...
Alright, friend, feeling ready?
Oh, yeah.
Awesome. I'm just going to start with that pressing and checking. I will tell you when it's time for that nice deep breath. This is just me feeling around for how things move. Alright, nice big deep breath. And exhale. Breathe it out nice and slow. You're doing awesome. Keep breathing. There we go. Piercing's done. Just going to pop your jewelry in. You did awesome. Please keep your eyes closed because there is a sharp object in your face. A little bit of friction here on the jewelry, and there we go. Now I'm just going to screw on the other end. Definitely making sure everything's nice and tight, and then I'm just going to adjust things into place and get everything relaxed. This part's probably going to feel really weird.